And we are looking at, again, a very nice afternoon mixed with clouds and sunshine so far here. And the fact that we do not have nearly as much cloud cover, it is showing 88 degrees right now in downtown Hagerstown. And we are starting to feel that humidity once again. That is really not going anywhere as we continue along. And there are those air temperatures easily warmer than where we were in a lot of locations yesterday. Thurmont did not get out of the 70s. We're at 86 degrees right now. Charlestown and Frederick both at 90 degrees. And generally speaking, we're seeing middle and even upper 80s with a few lower 80s, a few lower 90s out there. And with that humidity factor, it is sweltering once again. We are feeling like it's in the 90s in most locations, close to 100 in Charlestown as we go throughout the rest of the afternoon. Satellite and radar picture, really not a lot going on. We are just seeing those clouds popping up here and there. We do have a shower trying to make its way and develop through portions of northern Frederick County and a few back to the west where we are expecting those showers and storms to be throughout the rest of the day today. And there's a wider look as well. We have a lot of activity as you head to the north back into portions of northeastern Pennsylvania. But aside from that, again, the thunderstorm activity has been limited over the four-state region so far here today. So as we continue along, like I just mentioned, it's going to already be warmer than yesterday, and we are going to keep up with that trend as we go through the rest of the week. Looking like a completely dry day on Thursday, but that system we're watching along the North Carolina coast today, it's looking like development is very likely with that, and all that matters is just the track of that system as we continue along through the end of the week. But at least for the rest of the day today, again, shower and storm development is mainly going to be to the north and western peripheries of the viewing area. Most of the four-state region stays dry as we go throughout the rest of your Wednesday. We continue that dry trend, like I mentioned, as we go into your Thursday. A lot of dry air keeping storms very limited, but there's that low pressure center and potentially becoming a tropical system by the time we get into your Friday morning. It looks like the track is going to hug right along the east coast, but if this moves to the west just a bit, we're going to be talking about heavier rainfall possible along the eastern shore of Maryland and even some of that rainfall getting into the western shore. So again, this is what we are looking at right now, that track taking it right up toward Long Island, staying far enough east that we won't see any impacts as far as major rainfall is concerned. But again, if this moves just to the west over the next day or two, that could all change. So we're keeping an eye out for that as we continue along. But this afternoon, not a lot of activity going on. Partly cloudy skies, warm and humid. Yes, a storm or two possible west of the Blue Ridge. And then as we continue along, again, Friday after today will be the next best chance for a little bit of rainfall. Saturday, a cold front swings through as we'll see scattered showers and storms. And even as we go into next week, it stays warm and muggy.